Hey guys, my name is Trevor Scary. I had the incredible opportunity to work alongside Terry and the Venom Rally team on this beautiful, beautiful NSX. It has been such an amazing experience from start to finish. I'm standing here now with the car all wrapped in its absolute gloriousness. Right away, I had not met Terry. And so Harris happened to introduce me over the phone. And so what I knew about Terry is that he loved old school hip hop. And he loved things that just look fast. And so I was really inspired by the old school Hot Wheel cars in collaboration with the old school hip hop culture. And so I really was inspired by, in particular, the XXL magazine covers. You know, the way that they really feature the heavy red rectangles with the type punched out. And so I wanted to kind of bring a little bit of an element of that to the car. So you can see that here in the Venom with the 22. That was probably one of my favorite parts. But as soon as you come around to the hood of the car, I think that turned out the best. You know, because we're really able to show the Venom, this kind of altered Venom logo, in addition with Terry's personalized number, and the way that we're able to make the car just look faster even when it's standing still. I think it's just been amazing. We know that we wanted it to feel as badass as possible, and there's nothing more badass than a combination of red and black. And to put this on this super metallic, glistening car just sings so much. I couldn't ask for a better product. This thing turned out way better than I could have dreamed. And it's kind of surreal to be standing here with the work that I've done and to see it on the car. It has been, again, just an amazing experience.
Can you take us to the rear?
Yeah. One thing that I'm particularly fond of with this car is placing all of the sponsor logos on the back. You know, I really feel like as they're driving down the highway and people are looking at the car, they have just a couple seconds to kind of see it as it passes by. So having these logos in the back, you know, they have a little bit more time to then look at the logos and see who's sponsoring the event, who's sponsoring the car. And I think it turned out really well to have the application back here.